I think one of the reasons that we're successful is that we're choosing to partner with communities and facilities that have the same goal in mind, which is our residents' and patients' safety. When I'm talking to potential customers, usually the problems are very similar. Usually it has to do with their medication management system not feeling like it's under control, which will relate to their medication errors or defects. And then ultimately that's putting them at risk for compliance and safety concerns when it comes to our residents. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at processes of the medication management system to see if there's any identification of things that we can improve on. And we will give recommendations to the leadership team at the facility or the community and help deploy if you need us to. What we bring to our customers is we bring process discipline, patient safety, which is ultimately going to put you back in control of your medication management system. Medication management comes down to having a system in place, which then in turn comes down to process discipline. As we know, long-term care is a very high turnover industry, and so it's our processes that are in place that are going to help us as we turn over our staff. It has to be easy to use, and it has to be sustainable because you can teach it to new people who may come into the facility. The way that we're working with nurses is really building a relationship with them so that they know that they have somebody to count on and we can assist with things that they may be struggling with. Training is a huge part of what we do every day, whether it be one-on-one with a nurse or a medication tech, or whether it be in a group setting. But at the end of the day, we want to have left your building making an impact. An example of how Consanus walks the walk when it comes to patient safety is our pharmacy label. We took the time to go to our customers, ask what they like and what they don't like, not only about our current label, but other pharmacy labels. And based on that feedback, we were able to come up with a label that is larger, has larger font, has a patient-centric zone, and when you're passing medications on a day-to-day basis, those things make a difference. What I love about Consanus is that we have a philosophy that our job is not done when the order is filled. Our job is done when the resident has the right medication at the right time and in a safe manner.